Kementeri Kekuat Kekia Kejela Kong Ampring Lingdo, kala pentip bakal kentiu Kyrdan yaka Manggakre Sub Center, syaka Kyrdan PHC, bar ke Jingpyntrei mentah kala Iaid cakman. Haba jubah bahlor ke Jingkili bawanra do MLA, dadengre rupa marak, Kementeri kala pentip ru batang syudap ke Jingpyntrei, ketenatkan sapet naga bentaban penbiang ya kinong trei hakate kejaka sumar.
Honourable Speaker, sir, reply to Star Question 100A. Yes, upgradation of the Manggakre sub-center into PHC is in progress. B, so the facilities that will be available in the PHC center after completion will be A, outdoor patient department services. 2, 10-bedded inpatient department. 3, labor room facilities. 4, lab facilities. 5, emergency services. 6, pharmacy and residential quarters for medical and paramedical staffs, etc. And C, sir, as per government norms.
Your supplementary, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honourable Minister in charge, in view of the reply to question number A, where I ask whether the department has upgraded the Manggakre sub-center into our public health center. Yet the reply was yes, but still there is another reply, upgradation of Manggakre sub-center into a public health center is in progress. So I'm a bit confused in this reply. May I know the clarity of the reply?
So decisions to upgrade the sub-center to a PHC is definitely yes. Whether or not the work is in progress, we've said yes. So the works are in progress, decision has already been taken.
Thank you for the reply. I was a bit confused because I wasn't asking about the work progress and all. Anyway, may I know from the Minister in charge, when was this Manggakre sub-center was upgraded into public health center?
The foundation stone of this upgradation occurred on the 9th of December 2022. By the 18th of January 2023, we were able to float a tender. By November 2023, works began. And at January 2025, the progress of work is at 85%.
Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honourable Minister in charge, as per the government norms, does a PHC has a medical officer?
Sir, works in the upgradation are ongoing. Once the building has completed, necessary HR will be sent to man this very important PHC, sir.
May I know from the Honourable Minister in charge, in view of the reply, the last reply, since this upgradation has already been done as per the reply, so, but in view of the last reply, does it mean that Manggakre has no medical officer as of now?
As of now, the center is still functioning as a sub-center.
Last question, please.
So, I won't have the further question. I would like to request the Honourable Minister in charge to speed up the process of upgradation Manggakre Public Health Center, sub-center into PHC. Thank you.
Point noted, sir.
Now we move on to the next question.